Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be doing a review as well as a gameplay video for a game named Billiards, available on Fitbit Versa family and Ionic starting right now. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular videos about Fitbit smartwatch, tech reviews, designing tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist tab to find curated playlist for various content we post on this channel, where you will also find a playlist exclusively for Fitbit Versa containing 60 plus videos and more to come. Be sure to check it out. First of all, those who don't play games on Versa, guys, you actually can. There are some pretty cool games available on the App Store of Fitbit, few of which I have already done a video about, which you can find linked in the card section on the top right corner throughout the video, and at the end of the video. Be sure to check it out once you're done watching this one. Today I'll be reviewing this Billiards game, which is available on Fitbit App Store for $1 USD via KPay. By the way guys, I have done a detailed video about how to purchase apps via KPay, which is linked up here. Check it out once you're done watching this one. And just so you guys know, this is not a sponsored video and I'm not the developer of this game. It's just my honest opinion, so you guys know what to expect after paying $1 for this game. To get this app, go on to your Fitbit app of your Android or iOS device. Scroll down to find the Versa and the battery icon under the profile icon. Click it and go in the apps section. Click all apps and hit the search icon. Now type Billiards and you will find the app, which is developed by Stinergy. Once you have installed it, there will be instructions on your watch to purchase this app via KPay. Once you have paid for it, you'll be able to play it on the watch. So here is the gameplay on the watch. You can play it with the watch on your wrist, but for the video purpose I have taken the watch off. So to start playing, just click anywhere on the screen and you will see the colored table balls and the white cue ball. So there are just 3 table balls, red, blue and yellow, and 1 white cue ball with 2 pockets on the center of the wall and 4 pockets on the corner. I guess due to the squared screen dimension, this type of layout does make sense. Right off the back you can see the color choice and the background is pretty decent. Now to strike the cue ball, you have to slide your finger in the direction you want to aim. To do a power shot, slide longer, and to do a touchdown shot, drag shorter. Few things I really like about this game is that the transitions are very smooth. Unlike a frame based pixelated transition, this really makes the game quite appealing. Another thing is, every time the cue ball hits any other table ball, the watch gives a small haptic vibration, which is really cool. You can even try to angle your shot, so if you were to hit the cue ball at an angle, you can even do a trick shot. You can even do a bounce back shot. I have fast forwarded the game for you guys to see the gameplay. So at the end, once you're done pocketing all the table balls, the winner screen will appear. If you want to reset the game at any point, just press the bottom right button and it will reset. and in case during the game you were to exit the game, whenever you start the game again at any later point, it will pick up from the previous play point, which is really cool. So that's about it for this game. In my opinion, it's worth to spend $1 for this game, as it's not laggy and the gameplay is smooth. I also like the user interface and the colors of the games. Again, that's my personal unbiased opinion. If you guys are looking for accessories and clock face for Fitbit Versa or Versa Lite edition, please check the links in the description down below. Purchasing from those links really helps us to keep posting regular videos. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one.